Welcome to Now You're Learning eCenter and eSolutions. In this tutorial, I will show KSU PYP staff members how to create an account, log into that account, and submit their weekly attendance online successfully. Choosing a browser, I would suggest Safari or Google Chrome. I have found them to be the quickest with this database. However, Internet Explorer and Firefox work just fine. So you'll want to go to nowyouarelearning.net, and from the home page, click on Login Directory. Then please click on PYP Staff Login. From here, you'll notice the time frame all PYP staff members have from noon Wednesday to 9 p.m. Saturday to enter in their weekly attendance records online. If you have any difficulties, please send, as soon as possible, please send any error tickets to webmaster@nowyouarelearning.net. I have also included on this page instructions in Word document and PowerPoint. So if you're ready, please go to PYP Portal, click here, and you have this login page. Now the generic user account, username, and password are KSU staff, and password PYP teacher. Now the account name is not case sensitive, so if I spell KSU staff in lowercase or capital letters, it works just the same. However, the password is case sensitive. The PYP teacher is lowercase, and if you include any capital letters in your personalized password, you have to remember to use them when logging in. Please log in now. Okay, now we are in the database and we're looking at the directory here. It has 4 areas you can go to: create new accounts, Science Campus Portal, Humanities Campus Portal, or administration. For this tutorial, we are creating a new account, so click on create new account. And the directions are on the left hand side, but I will read them for you. Enter a new account name, and it must be your section number. So whatever section you are the primary teacher for, some might have 2, whether you're teaching both shifts, but that section number has to be your account name. And then the password is personalized, so any password that you would like, but remember that it is case sensitive. And enter your full name, please, no nicknames. I need full names here. And select your employer, whether it's IC, Educational Experts, Mega Training, or KSU employee, and then click submit. I'm going to choose a section that I know does not have an account yet, so 35350, and this is a Science Campus account. We will just any generic password. We'll just go with something simple, BB. Okay, and then a name. Again, I want a full name here, so we'll just say John Doe. And employer, pick iSeat and info at email.com. The reason for the email is if I find any issues with what you have submitted, I can quickly send you an email asking you for additional information. Okay, after you have filled in every field, please click submit. And then you'll want to review the information because it's not finalized yet. So we have my name here, John Doe, my account name 35350, password BB, employer iSeat. Again, please notice this information up top. All accounts are subject to approval and access may be denied at any time without notification. So if I find your name is no longer associated with this account name or this section number, I will take off all privileges. Please log out with this button and then sign back in using your new details. So we will click the red button for logging out, and this will finalize our account. Okay, now this page is for administration. We don't need to use this, so it asks you to please click here to be redirected to the PYP staff members login. And we are here, so let's put in our new account name 35350 and my password lowercase bb and log in. And we are back to the original directory in the database. We have already created a new account. Now we must pick our campus. This was a Science Campus section number I used, so we'll go to Science Campus Portal. Click there. And you'll see the teacher's name here and his information, and all his students. We will select a week. And I was hoping this error would pop up. It says record is in use. If you see this error message, do not panic, just click OK. And if you go into the upper left hand corner, you'll see these arrows here. And you'll notice here it says 1 and then 20. So there's 20 records to choose from. Just move to the second one if someone happens to be in at the same time. It's not that they're in your account, but they're on the similar page. Okay, next thing we want to do is select the week that we would like to submit our records for. And everyone sees the same selection. So we know week 7 is far and past, so that's why it has late next to it. And week 8, week 9, 10, and so forth. The current week we are in is week 8. So we'll pick week 8 and go right away to entering our attendance records for our students. Use the tab button to move along. I'm just going to make up some numbers just for sake of data entry. Just move down until you get to the last student. Okay, review your records by scrolling up. If everything is okay, go ahead and click submit your records. So thank you for submitting your weekly attendance records. Please click on the logout button located in the top menu, which is here. So we're going to log out. Now this online submission is only for submitting. You are not going to see your previous submission records like in the other database that we were using. This one is only for submission. So once you've submitted them, if you log back in again, you will see blank spaces next to your students. And I ask you that you only submit your records one time. If you make an error, please send an error ticket to webmaster@nowyourlearning.net stating what was the problem, why you would like to change your records, so I can make the correct changes in the database before you submit the new records. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this explains everything. If you have any difficulties, again, please send an e-ticket or questionnaire to webmaster@nowyourlearning.net.